Hey guys, Leviathan here. Now, as you can see, this is going to be a longer video as I have a lot of 3D printed Beyblades that I've made to showcase. So I'll start off from the, I guess, least to most recent. So this is a 3D printed Beyblade that I designed for Reggie Steel, or as I know him, Jack the Befallen. It uses the 2 armor, tapered and atomic, and it is called Crusade Scorpion. It is a light spin defense type with a purple and gold color scheme. So, if you see this pop up in my videos, this is meant to represent Jack the Befallen. Now, secondly, we have a bay that I made called Luck Spade, which I made for one of my close friends. So, to avoid fully name dropping, we'll just call him Leo. And I made Leo a bay called called Luck Spade, because that is the avatar that he chose. It is in high mode. It uses the 7 armor, and it is a left spin defense / balance type. I'm not sure yet. Luck Spade, as you can see, has a spade in the middle of it, or more precisely a spade card, with a basic 5 blades and then a point. For its disc, it uses 0 wall, a disc and frame combination which is good for defense. And finally, for its driver, it uses friction. Oh, I cannot pronounce that. Friction. It is the Pro Series variant because I do not have the official or the Takatomi version, so I just have the Hasbro Pro Series variant. These 2 bays are part of my team that I'm building called Team Draconic. So far, the members are me, Jack the Befallen, and Leo. I love it when my tripod does that. So, you may have seen a 3rd bay in the beginning of this video. That is the evolution to Tyrant Leviathan, who you can see the gear and dynamite battle blade of here. Please become acquainted with Force Leviathan. Now, before I say anything, I would like to credit the dynamite battle blade. Force was made by one of my rivals, AS on Discord, or as his channel is called, Supai Sanse. I will list the name of the channel in the description so that you may go to his channel. So the Dynamite Battle Core is Leviathan, as always. Same clicks. It also still uses the 0 armor, and while it does not weigh as much, what it lost in weight, it gained in balance and stamina and defense. And it also has pretty good attack power, and it has a decent weight. So it's not bad, it's just not as completely over-the-wall heavy as this was. The disc is Giga, and the driver is Venture. This will likely be the final Leviathan evolution for Dynamite Battle. That is, of course, unless Dynamite Battle actually ends up being the last season. But given current news, I don't think that's going to be true. I will do videos with this and other things. And if you're curious, I do have permission to use this. He actually made this specifically for Leviathan, which was very nice of him. So, yeah. I personally like this in that it is more slim, and I feel like I can launch it without... Tyrant was great. It was just so heavy that it had no stamina and could not launch properly. While when I lose in weight, I get more defense, more stamina. And even then, its attack power is almost on par with Finisher due to these dragon heads right here. So if anyone here would like to join Team Draconic, there are only a few things that you have to qualify for. You yourself have to own a 3D printed Bay or a custom Beyblade. In other words, you just have to have something that is a Beyblade that is unique to you. Even things like base Crixus do count. As long as it is not a stock Takatomi Bay, then you can use it, or a stock Hasbro. Anyway, that being said, this has been Leviathan Blader, or, well, I guess my channel is just Leviathan, and I will see you next video.